Hold on, I have another thing for address. Prettiidon. Hold on before I go back at Ivany. Let me say this about the Prettiidon. People, you see Prettiidon, whether you want believe me or not, hear me, see Prettiidon? Prettiidon is somebody where me read, help, in many areas, financially, send money go give. You remember the girl just said to you, say, me talk with my money. Me have a nasty behavior. Not say me rich, but I like to help people. Alright, so watch this now. Vernica and I don't remember her mother name, but I think one of them are Vernica or Veronica, some name, whatever, but listen me good. No one tell me I've been on my cash app. Our mother used to call me. She used to call me. Me advise them, give them money. Most of the thing we couldn't give them is money because financially. Mother beg me have 6 bills, one pay rent, one do this, one pay that, me help, me advise, me talk. If anybody were there, so remember when time Prettiidon used to do over my life. I mean, when you see me on fair life, you know, because Prettiidon drop off of the radar. And that's why I say people don't need to understand and know who me is. Me not only help with money, me help on the download. When time she and Prettiidon and World Dog fall out. And World Dog and me apart. And World Dog turn RT boss. Nothing never like go on for Prettiidon. And me and Prettiidon ton friend, and me say, even though you're a World Dog no good, alright, over the $5,000, alright, me still advise Prettiidon. Me advise Prettiidon say, I be a fucker you keep up in a fear negativity. Me say, well, you say it work for you. Me not really like it, but you're a niche, you're a negativity that it work for you. Alright, continue do what you do. You need to do a thing called a book. Put the thing them in the book. Even though you're at the doorway every minute, don't move from the doorway because them a beat you about the doorway and the doorway kind of add to because when they're ready to throw the doorway by you because the doorway kind of sell. So what you need to do now, you need to come out with a book and write up the people in the book and do your own show. You don't need to focus on World Dog or so forth, do your own thing. You see me? So them things that me I tell her upon the don't know me I help her and I elevate her. When she come to me, I never speak to the woman. One time I ever speak to the woman, you know. Is when time the woman want, you know, when you invigilate something that the baby, what you call it, a woman. You know, when them want you clarify something, one time maybe they on a 3-way call with clarifying something with them. That's the only time, but me and the girl, you know, really, in or nothing. She no beggy, she no in a dialogue with me. Anybody who always in a dialogue with me is Prettiidon and the mother. So when me I said to you now, I years me and Prettiidon a par, wherein me an advisor or helper. But what cost, cut it short now, what cost for me and her for fall out here now is she a take this thing to a different level. I bring in my kids them and me I tell her, I say, hey, don't do it. She started disrespect me and tell me go suck my mama privately whenever I used to go on. So me realize that the treatment where you give me on the live now, you start to give me privately, wagwan. Then me go up on her live one day and me hear she I say, look at tight face, batty boy. You know, so trying him start this, trying him this Gracie, you know. And Gracie tell me, run with the pussy. Me just start to beat him like a ball. Wait. So me start to meet and say, hold on. So, okay, so you turn this whole spice thing and when I me help you when time don't pick up on you. When I me help you when you have papers problem. When I me get the $700 when your woman get pregnant. So let me show you the whole story now. When me come out and me say when me if say over here so Miss Bling and talk about Prettiidon and you hear Miss Bling get involved. Everybody hear the voice note, remember when you hear the video where Miss Bling get involved? All Miss Bling get involved now is Camille never know me know about the $700 and the Dash Rebelly. Camille never know say me know certain things based on only one time me talk to Camille. So Camille herself never know say so we so tight. So when me come out, come bash now cause you know my more boss. She and Camille in a pop web, wherein she call me and Bling. Right? If you listen to the recording, she want me to come put out a public apology, like to fix the thing with Camille, to say the whole thing a lie, because it a stress and no Camille, because end of the day is, get to understand now, say, she and Camille, get to understand, say, she and Camille never did in a good relationship situation. It is a pop where and now me come leak this only make she and Camille in a more turmoil. So she and Camille go down one look a nasty road now to RT go talk about the pregnancy and the runway and where. So me and Bling did supposed to fix it. Then now instead of me and Miss Bling fix it, now me go live the next day. Come play all of the voice note. Notice when she go YouTube go do when she go on for her channel. My wife, Camille, you know, I owe you an apology because true, you're my wife and I love you and I make them people like call your name and true what me do. Remember now, Camille, now, nothing to do in the one. Nobody no call Camille name than RT say she dash her belly. Nobody no say no more than say, are you tell me? And Camille go take man. So if you remember when she come live and I tell Camille, apologize to Camille, I say, sorry, my wife, it's because I be an argument and negativity. So she a try to make, remember she never talk about me that day, you know. She just a try to cool the Camille energy. So that's the whole situation. So moving on, pan Prettiidon is just saying to you that me and I did cool, but Mr. said she respect Gracie over me. Me can understand that. But for you now, diss me and diss the person who help you and give you money where Gracie now do. Because she go as far as to say, me love Gracie, no, me not no problem, you know, and I say, I understand that, but guess what? She not give me no money and she tell me, so no, take nothing from you and you will help me out and re. So that's why the two of we laugh and we never pay the whole Gracie thing no mind, because to be honest, there wasn't no Gracie conversation that much than we know say Gracie say, cuss out the dirty man, moving blood clot, re. But I don't know if she start get paid for cuss me out or maybe she just decide no to start take it up on her head. So that is why I made have to come for her blood clot. Can I say, how dare you? When I mean you got in your head. You understand? So that was the story. Hey, you did it, Ivany? So that was the story. Me used to, I'm tell people, you see, me not do it today. You see everything what me I tell you about, I will not hear it. Alright, you notice when me I cuss, me never bring it up. But you hear me I talk, them I sit here, and when you know hear me I talk about it every day, because that's not a natural me that. Me I come from sufferation, so me know for help people. Me is not a man who go take money and buy gun and buy them sitting for man and them something. I believe in them blood clot there. What me believe in help people to prosperity. And that me believe in. So if me can help a man financially, me no see why me not for help them. So when them a mix up my name, and this is the thing, you know. Sensation give money. Blinganaires give money, royal family give money, stranger give money, but most of the money them come in by people who feel comfortable and give the money, because them don't have no problem with RT. And see it, the money spent good, and me don't know what else to do more than bring out the receipt. So that is why to them I say, I want to keep a meeting now with all of the people who did collect the money and make we decide what we are going to do. Because the money don't know, the money spent, but at the end of the day when I try to say people, me know them are gonna mix me up, don't get me wrong. Cause that's the one I reason, clout and hype, me want help her, and at the same time me know people are gonna beat me. But the end of the day is, these bloggers, me just feel like them envy RT, because them watch me just like you, and them have a problem with me. Because why them are gonna make it look like, say, me, you hear what the part to about me? Me run away. Me gone. From being 2 days. Look how much time you see me out here do live and then after study you don't see me none at all.
I'm okay.
Me no over bling, me gone with the money. And that's why I come out and I talk and say some of the blog and go suck on the woman, curse between one and the woman and divide, you know. Because all of them something they are fuckery. Because when I look at content and I choose to bring me down. Since you don't want to bring me down, alright, I bring down the blood clot and the woman.